Exploring QA careers, manual versus automated testing.
Quality assurance testing is essential for delivering reliable software. Within this field, professionals typically follow one of two main paths: manual testing or automated testing. Understanding the core differences between these paths can help you make the best choice for your interests and career goals.
Manual testing, hands-on software evaluation.
Manual testing involves executing test cases by hand, exploring applications as an end user might. This path is ideal if you enjoy investigating software behavior, have an eye for detail, and communicate clearly about defects. Manual testers don't typically need advanced coding skills, but analytical thinking and patience are key strengths.
Automated testing, coding for quality.
Automated testing relies on writing scripts and using tools to perform repetitive tests efficiently. If you enjoy problem solving, learning programming languages, and optimizing processes, this path may be a strong fit. Automated testers often use frameworks like Selenium or Cypress and contribute to speeding up development cycles through continuous testing.
Key differences and required skills.
Manual and automated testing differ in key ways. Manual testing emphasizes observation, creativity, and communication, while automation focuses on programming and logic. Automated testing roles often require knowledge of scripting, version control, and sometimes DevOps concepts, whereas manual testing is more accessible for those starting out or transitioning from non-technical backgrounds.
Choosing the right QA career path.
Consider your interests and skills. If you prefer direct interaction with applications and discovering new user scenarios, manual testing may suit you. If you enjoy coding and efficiency, automated testing could be more rewarding. Many testers grow their careers by starting with manual testing and gradually learning automation, combining the strengths of both paths.